Hello webheads, today I will show you how to make $25 or more by just watching videos online and visiting some websites. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I will be uploading videos on daily basis. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to make money online, how to create websites, how to rank your websites on Google. So let's get started. My first website is usertesting.com. Just to let you know guys, I have tested all these websites I'm going to show you today. Once you visit this website, go on this link, get paid to test. Once you come on this page, you can sign up into your email address and hit sign me up. As you can see on this website, you can earn up to $60 per test. You just need to visit a website or an app to test, complete a set of tasks. So basically you just need to sign up to this website, visit a website or an app, complete a task and give your thoughts, and then you just get paid. So that's how simple it is. Second website, this is actually one of my favorites, try my UI, which means try my user interface. So trymyui.com. Once you come on this website, you just need to hit get paid to test. Once you click the link, you'll be brought to this page where you just need to enter your full name, email address, password, confirm your password, solve this captcha and submit. Once you become a user on this website, you'll be given website and app tasks to solve. You just need to test them apps and websites and give your feedback. As you can see, you can earn up to $10 for each task. It says a test can take around 20 minutes, but with my experience, I think a test takes between 5 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on which kind of test it is. Third website, userfeel.com. Once you come on this page, you just need to go on become a tester. Once you click the link, you'll be brought to this page. So become a tester and earn $10 per test. These are three most trusted websites and I have tested all these three and I've shown you guys my earning proof. So here it says each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and it is completed with your home computer or smartphone. All the instructions are provided, so make sure you read through these instructions and all the provided documents. Remember one thing guys, making money is not easy. You have to do some work to earn some money out of it. But these three websites are really good when it comes to paying the customers. I've seen so many websites online where they actually do some tasks or surveys and they don't even pay their customers. But here you can actually become a tester and become their customer. So basically you are helping them to provide the honest opinions and feedbacks for the websites and applications they are promoting. So please do sign up to these websites. Let me know what you guys think of these. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like this video. WebHead tips, press the bell icon next to subscribe button so you can stay up to date with each video I release on daily basis. So this is my YouTube journey where I will be teaching you guys how to make money fast from trusted websites. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye.